Hello everyone and welcome to another tutorial video. Today in this video I'm going to teach you how to make a TikTok. First of all, to do that you need to download TikTok app and log into it. If you don't have TikTok account or don't know how to sign up for TikTok, I have another video on how to sign up for a TikTok account. I'll put the link in the description. Please check that out. I'm already logged into my TikTok account. So to create TikTok, in the home page of TikTok, tap on the plus sign which is in the bottom middle of the screen. Now you have to give permission to access the camera and microphone. So tap on allow access. Now you're ready to record TikTok videos. Now here you can add sounds. To add sounds to your TikTok videos, you have to tap on sounds and look for all the sounds that are trending in your area. Or you can search for the particular one if you have any in mind from the search bar which is on the top of the screen. This is all you need to do to create TikTok. Thank you for watching.